So here I would like to promote the APIs from dev to QA on Omni Gateway. The steps are going to be, we have to switch to the QA environment first, click on the Add Promote API from the environment option, select the environment which you would like to promote. In my case, it's going to be from dev to QA, so I am selecting the dev environment. Here, it won't populate the API list. You have to type it. Example, I'm trying to promote the integration API, select the API version, and this is just an optional label. Okay, so once I do the promote, it will bring that API over here, and then we have to add the gateway. So this is a new Omni Gateway instance created for QA. So I applied, and here the label, I would like to change it to QA and save it. But this is not going to deploy into our Omni Gateway. We have to do one more step. So if you go back on the API summary, it is showing still as unregistered and not validated, right? So to activate it, click on the edit button. And if you scroll down, now it's going to give you the option called save and deploy. So once I do this, the API instance, what we brought from dev to QA, is now going to deploy on the QA gateway environment. So we have to wait for this. The latest configuration successfully applied on the gateway. Now, if you go and check on the API summary, this instance is active and up to date now. That's all from this demo.